Nowadays, using mobile devices for creating animations is getting more and more popular. And today, we'll talk about some of the Android animation apps that you can use for creating your own animation projects. Rough Animator. Rough Animator is a paid animation and drawing app. It is a frame-by-frame animation based on the timeline. It supports unlimited layers of animation. The app has audio important options to add sound and music. This app comes with other features alongside the hand drawing. It has a rotoscoping animation feature to trace over pictures, and it supports many exporting formats such as GIFs, image sequences, and MP4. One of the coolest features of this application is that you can import its project with other software like Adobe Animate, After Effects, and Toon Boom Harmony. Stick Draw Animation Maker. This is a free Android app that allows you to create animated videos. With the Stick Draw app, you can make MP4 videos, GIFs, and stick figures. The app has a simple interface that makes it easy and simple to use, and you can learn how to use it very quickly as well. Stick Draw is a frame-by-frame animation app. You can draw your Stickman character and then animate it using finger moves. The app gives you a lot of control over the character animation, and it gets to all the possible details. However, the app does not support adding sound options. Draw Cartoons. Draw Cartoons is an Android app for making cartoons and animations. The app is a frame-by-frame based with an amazing workflow. With the app, you can draw your cartoons. In addition to that, you also have a large and huge library of characters and other objects. It gives you full control over the movements of the character and the animation, and you will have key points to animate as well as the ability to create skeletal-based characters. The Draw Cartoons apps has many powerful features. To name a few, it exports the animation video to your gallery in MP4 format, and it has a voiceover option along with adding sounds and music. You can also customize the pre-designed characters to match your needs. And there is a paid version of the Draw Cartoon app that is only $2. Anime Maker. Anime Maker is a frame-by-frame Android app for animation videos. The app allows you to create cartoon animations on a single player with options to adjust the speed. It is simple and it does not require any previous animation skills, and it gives you the possibility to quickly and easily publish your video. However, the app has many deficiencies. For example, you don't have the ability to zoom, neither the ability of adding multiple layers. Animation Desk. Animation Desk is a very popular free animation app for Android devices that allows you to create frame-by-frame animation videos and cartoons. The app interface is very intuitive with nice features and options. You can start drawing from scratch within the app, as well as adding multiple layers up to 9 layers for better animating. The app allows you also to add your own materials such as images, videos, or even Photoshop layers. Animation Desk has powerful tools like brushes in a variety of types. It has more than 45 types of brushes. You also have painting tools and color gradients. Moreover, the app has an onion skinning feature. In addition to that, it has other tools like pencils that are adjustable in terms of size, opacity, etc. Animation Amino. This is an animation app with different features from the other animation apps. Using it, you can have discussions with others using animation. The app has a great community where you can find collaborators that can help you work on your projects. You can share your projects, inspire, and get inspired as well. And you can also stay always updated on the latest news about animation art. To start using the app, you can check the available tutorials to easily master using it. Stick Notes. Stick Notes is an animation app that was developed for games. The app allows you to easily create stick figure animations with the automatic frame tweening. And it is equipped with a lot of features such as adding sound effects, also with a virtual camera and zooming options. Overall, this app is a very good stickman animator. Make cartoons with PuppyToons. This is a cartoon animation creator app for Android devices. The app does not have a frame-by-frame workflow. Instead, it uses cartoons and characters from images. The app's animation is based on finger gestures, which is a very simple thing to do. And the interface is easy and simple with important options of images from the gallery. It can also perform some other more complicated operations such as scaling, rotating, or hiding all with your fingers. Once done, You can save and upload the animation video to your gallery. Although the app is free, in the free version the animation video is limited to 30 seconds. If you need unlimited animation videos, you have to switch to the Pro version. MovePick. MovePick is a simple app for making videos from photos or photo motion. It is available for free and paid, with extra more features for the purchased version. The app has many effects to make the animated photos look interesting. It supports important options like videos and GIFs. In addition to that, MovePick allows you to use a huge number of available filters and effects. It also has control over the speed, looping, and the other adjustments. Adobe Spark. This is a beautiful app for creating animated videos. The app allows you to synchronize between the mobile device and the desktop, so you can work on your animation projects on both devices. The app is available for free and as a paid version with different plans for individuals and teams. Using Adobe Spark is simple. You can choose from your own photos and images, or you can use the available images in the Adobe repository, and there are a lot of them, up to thousands. The app allows you to add sounds. Also, you can add your own audio and music. It has the option to add text as well. And the app offers you a range of beautiful and professional fonts. And you can animate your project to create a slideshow. Adobe Spark is a very basic app to create animations based on images, which can be very useful for presentations or similar purposes. Anytales. Anytales is a story animation app. The app is aimed at kids, but it is used on a large scale by adults to create animation videos for their branding and marketing purposes. The app is well structured and simple to use. You need to choose the location of the story, then pick your cartoon and customize it by changing the outfit or other adjustments. Then add a voiceover and you are done. The app has multiple elements in the library, from various scenes of skies to weather to multiple choices of music. But all these pre-designed elements are totally customized according to what you need in your animation. Animation Creator HD. This is a simple drawing app with many powerful tools. The app's interface is extremely structured and organized in a way that allows you to smooth and manage your work. The app is equipped with a lot of tools such as adjustable brushes with multiple options. In addition to that, it has ink brushes. Moreover, the colors are controlled as well as changing transparency and so on. You can also draw or add your own media materials such as images, videos, and soundtracks. The app also has an audio manager, so you can edit the sound according to your animation. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have something to add, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.